So this is a tungsten grinder that I built using parts that I had laying around and some wheels that I picked up from Harbor Freight. These are diamond wheels from Harbor Freight. They're sold in a pack. They were $10. There are actually 4 different size wheels. The die grinder I had laying around. What I did is I took a piece of square tube and I welded some angle to it to act as a fence. I cut some slots in it, and then I hold the die grinder down using some hose clamps. I purposely put a clamp over the trigger to hold this thing on, and then what I did is I just put a valve on the air line. So all you do is you set the square tube into place to hold it in place. Put your shop air to it, and I actually put a valve on here so you can adjust the speed of the die grinder. And there you go, your perfectly ground tungsten tips.